Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. We have number 5 and number 15. We can do about factorization. We have y and y. We can do about factorization. Similar for this one, we have s and we have y minus 3. We have number 3 and number 9. That's about 3 multiplied by y minus 3. Next, we have s minus 3, s minus 3. We can do about factorization in here. Now, similar for this one. So, the s we put on the right, y plus 5 and y minus 3 will go to the left. So, we will have about y minus 3 over y plus 5 dy equals to s minus 3 ds over s plus 3. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So, we need to add number 5 in here. Later that we need to minus number 5. We need to add positive number 3. Later that we need to minus number 3. Because I want to create this one divided by denominator. Similar for this one in here. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. Negative number 5, negative number 3, we have negative number 8 over y plus 5. Similar for this one. The integration of number 1, we have y. The integration of this one, we have 8 ln of the absolute value of y plus 5. Number 1, we have s. And now we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.